Hi everyone, just a quick video today to let you know that Jackson's is having an A.Gallo sale this week. Open stock half pans as well as sets. I'll leave links to everything below should you want to check them out yourselves. Other than that, I also noticed these liquid pencils on sale as well. And I've mentioned this before, but seems like many still don't know that Roman Szmal did release a new color a few months ago. It's this autumn green color. Apparently, it's not on the main Roman Szmal page, so I'll leave links to the full pan as well as half pan for you in the description box below. And then just a quick little note that Schminke's Yintico Red is now back in stock. It's one of those limited edition colors, but really expensive, so do your research well before deciding to get a tube. My friend Lana actually just posted a video of a very thorough review on it if you'd like more information before you make your purchase. Daily Rowney products are also still on sale up to the end of Friday for those interested. That's it for the Jackson's sales. Next, I wanted to mention some new things I found. So apparently, A.Gallo is having a restock which will go live on February 26th. They did post on Instagram a few new colors which include Meteorite Brown, Burnt Sienna Monte Amiata, and Leighton Red Ochre. And in the White Tonight's world, I saw this a few days ago on their Instagram. Seems to be new colors added to their watercolor range. There's Red Brown Hematite, Gray Violet Granite, and Augite Porphyte. In other news, for those of you who don't know yet already, instead of just posting my videos as I normally do, I've been making them premieres. And what that means is I'm able to chat with you all in the live chat bar in real time, while the video is playing off to the side. My video premieres will be on Sundays at 11 p.m. for me. For most of my American viewers, that should be around Sunday morning. I've had a lot of fun so far, and I hope you join me this coming Sunday as well. I'll be posting 2 videos back to back, so see you all then! Alright, that's all I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.